Hi there, John Drew here. Just want to shoot this very quick video. I go through week 2 results, 14 days in the L7 trade. Cryptocurrency arbitrage. Trading made easy. Literally everyone is making money here. You start here for as little as approximately $30. This is super simple. The easiest money you will ever make. Just get in the site, they show you the best trades, you just select them. And 3 or 4 clicks later, you're done. It's that easy. Now, I want to go through the results for the second week now. Okay, so if you followed my videos from before, you'll see that I've already shown you the week 1 results, and these are the week 2 results. So, started off week 1, 0.0481 BTC. After 1 week, 0.05979251 BTC, an increase of 24.31% in 7 days. Okay? But now, in 14 days, what's the result? So from 0.0481 on day 1, you've grown to 0.075430009. That's an increase of 56.81% in 14 days. And I'll say that again, an increase of 56.81% in 14 days. These results are crazy, and everybody's making money in this. All of these trades, every trade that has gone through has been successful and that has made a profit. You can't ask for any better than that. And what I'm doing is I'm making the trades and I'm compounding what I make and move it forward like that. Power of compounding. Okay, this really is super simple. Click on the link below. If you're watching this on one of my sites, you'll find a link underneath to click on. If you're following it on YouTube, in the description you'll find a link that you can register for free, join up, have a look around. There's no monthly charges. If you've got any questions, give me a shout. Okay, God bless.